What's good? What's poppin'? Another video. What's good? What's poppin'? Another video. What they hitting for? Hey y'all, I'm back. Today I got me some Wendy's. I got the Baconator. I got some fries, of course. And I got some nuggets. Y'all, and they ain't give me no sauce, so I had to ketchup. I wanted honey mustard, but they ain't give me none, so I had to do ketchup. And I don't really like ketchup on my nuggets, but it'll be all right. Let me slap this back for y'all. There we go. So y'all, we gonna say our grace and we gonna get to this. And hope everybody had a great weekend. Mine was good. Oh, they sandwiches, y'all, they be kind of messy. Plus, if you get mayonnaise on it, it's messy. But I'm gonna take it off this paper, y'all. The paper messy. Look at that sandwich, y'all. They look okay. Look a little messy. Baconator. Mm. So, what y'all been up to? I ain't been up to nothing. Watching videos today and football. Of course. Y'all, it's an airplane going. Hope y'all ain't hear it. I hope y'all like my last video. The little switch. I'll be doing those videos on TikTok. I ain't did nothing in a while, but since I didn't post, I said I'll show them a little bit. Something I enjoy. Love music, love dancing, love singing. So I was like, why not? I know some people was tripping because I went from rapping like a dude and then turning into a female real quick. That's good, y'all. I got some more videos like that too, y'all. If y'all like them, I'll share them. I ain't had a Baconator in a while. And it's still good and messy. It's good. There's one other airplane. I don't know if y'all can hear it. We're not even that close to the airport, y'all. Or maybe we are. It don't seem like it because it takes a minute to get to the airport. But I guess they be coming over this way landing with all that noise. Got some lemonade over here. And that's good and cold. Taking these fries and this sandwich down. Y'all know that get thick. Y'all was thinking of meals to eat. I'll take any suggestions. Because I don't want to eat fast food all the time. Your girl can cook too. I finally got my beloved sauce, y'all. I'm going to be coming through with that soon. Still never tried it. I'm late. But that's okay. I still want to try it. It's good, y'all. It was worth it. I'm mad they didn't give me no honey mustard. Got me using ketchup. How many of y'all like Wendy's nuggets? I think Wendy's nuggets are the best. Nope, besides Chick-fil-A, because their nuggets are like the meat, you know, like grilled nuggets and all that. Chick-fil-A got good nuggets, but second, I'll take Wendy's. Excuse me. Got the chipmunk jaws, y'all. Put too much in your mouth. Ain't a whole lot of talking. Eating. I better wait before I be swole-faced. Yeah, I'm gonna do that rotisserie chicken with that beloved sauce. Best believe that. I'm seeing all these rotisserie chickens everywhere. I'm gonna get me one. Or cook me one. But it's easier to buy it though, for real, y'all. And they sell them everywhere. Like all the grocery stores sell rotisserie chicken already made. And they're not expensive. So I'm gonna take some time away and grab one so I don't have to cook it. Mm. Oh, let me know though. Seriously, guys. Like, if y'all would like to see like some more of those on my TikTok videos, 'cause some of them are funny. A lot of them are dancing. And I love old school hip hop, so most of the stuff that I did on there that was old school hip hop. Oh, look at my little bun coming loose. That was old school hip hop. Are really good ones. I like them. Especially because I know the music. And some of this music that's out today, I can't catch it to remember it. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or it's not, you know, catchy to my ear. Mm. This sandwich always gives me every time. What's your favorite sandwich from Wendy's? Comment down below. This is the only one I get when I go. And rarely do I finish it. It's some challenges out that are free for everybody to do. So I might do some of those too, y'all. Be catching up, try to catch up. Girl getting full. No, I'm not gonna finish them nuggets. I'm probably gonna finish this sandwich too, y'all. Y'all, that's funny. I don't know how I ate a whole quadruple Whopper and maybe a half of another one for that Be Loves challenge. Check that out. I can't eat all this. That's puzzling to me. I ain't gonna finish it, but it is good. Well, it was good. That lemonade is sweet. Well, I know I can't eat no more. Let me try one more bite. Yep, that's it. I ain't even put a hurting on the fries, y'all. Got a large and ate a small. Excuse me. I'm fat and sassy now. After eating that, fat and sassy. Slide this out the way. I'm gonna get out y'all face. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you with another video soon. Peace out.